Hello everyone. Today the topic we are going to look is finding the last two digits of any number. First we will understand how to find the last two digits of product like this. Next we will see how to find last two digits of a bigger number like x to the power of y. Here in this product, for finding the last two digits we use the cross multiplication system. First we will multiply 8 with 9, it will become 72, write 2 here and 7 will be carry forwarded. Next multiply this and add those two numbers, 1 into 2, 9 plus 8 into 3, it will become 33. Add 7 to this number, it will become 40. The last digit of 40 is 0. That means the last two digits of this product is 0, 2. Suppose if we have another number here like 1153, first find the last two digits of this product 0, 2. Next take the last two digits of this number and cross multiply 2 into 3 6, 0 into 3 0 plus 2 into 5 10, 0. That means the last two digits of this whole product is 0, 6. Now we will discuss how to find last two digits of a bigger numbers like 2 to the power of 1056. For finding the last two digits of a bigger number like x to the power of y, we have four cases. Case 1, numbers ending with 1. Case 2, numbers ending with 3, 7, 9. Case 3, numbers ending with 2, 4, 6, 8. And the last case, case 4, numbers ending with 5. We will discuss each case detail. Case 1, numbers ending with 1. Let's solve this with an example. 351 raised to the power of 742. In this case we have to find the last two digits of this number. Here the last digit is 1. 1 to the power of anything, unit digit becomes 1. Now we have to find the tens digit. For finding tens digit, we have to multiply the tens digit of this number with units digit of this number, that is 5 into 2. It will become 10. Write the last digit of this product here, 0. That means the last two digits of this number will become 0, 1. Take another number 541 raised to the power of 7. 1 to the power of anything, unit digit become 1. For finding tens digit, multiply the tens digit of this number with the units digit of this number, that is 7. 4 into 7, 28. Last digit is 8. Write 8 here. That means that last digit of this number is 81. Case 2, numbers ending with 3, 7 and 9. First we will convert the base number in each case so that it ends with 1. We know that 3 power 4 is 81. Also 9 square is 81. In this case 7 power 4 becomes 7 cube. We know that 7 cube is 343 into 7. It will become 7 into 3, 21. 7 into 4, 28 into 28 plus 2, 30. 7 into 3, 21. 3, 24. Here also 7 power 4 ends with 1. Now we can write 3 power 96 as 3 power 4 whole power 24. Here 9 square whole power 27. Here 7 power 4 whole power 27. 3 power 4 becomes 81 whole power 24. 9 square 81 whole power 27. 7 power 4 2401 whole power 27. Here in all these cases the last digit is 1. So we can solve this like we have solved in case 1. 1 power anything, unit digit become 1. Tens digit is 8 into 4. 32, 2. 1 power anything 1. 8 into 7, 56, 6. 1 power anything 1. 0 into 7, 0. Now we will solve some more examples so that you all will get clarity. Here 43 power 76. We can write this as 43 whole power 4 whole power 19. Since 3 power 4 ends with 1, we have written like this. For finding the last two digits of this number, first we have to find the last two digits of this 43 whole power 4. We know that 43 square is 1849 whole square whole power 19. For finding the last two digits of this number, we use the cross multiplication system. First take the last two digits of two numbers 49, 49. 9 into 9, 81. 4 into 9, 36, plus 4 into 9, 36, 72 plus 8, 80, write 0 here. That means this number ends with 0, 1 whole power 19. 1 power 19, 1, 0 into 9, 0. That means the last two digits of this number is 0, 1. Here we can write this number as 339 square whole power 32. Since 9 square is 81, we have to first find the last two digits of the number 39, 39, 9 into 9, 81, 9 into 3, 27, plus 9 into 3, 27, 54, plus 8, 62. That means this number ends with 2, 1. 1 power anything 1, 2 into 2, 4. The last two digits of this number is 41. Next we will see about case 3. Case 3, numbers ending with 2, 4, 6, 8. There are some rules to this topic. We know that 2 power 10 is 1024. That is 2 power 10 ends with 24. 24 and 76 are special numbers, because 76 power anything always ends with 76. 24 power odd number always ends with 24, whereas 24 power even number always ends with 76. We have to remember this concept for finding the last two digits of numbers ending with 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's solve some examples. 2 to the power of 1056. We can write this as 2 power 10 whole power 105 into 2 power 6. 2 power 10 is 1024 whole power 105 into 2 power 6 is 64. 24 raised to the power of odd number always ends with 24. That means this number ends with 24 and here 64. Now we will use the cross multiplication system to find the last two digits. 24, 64. 4 into 4, 16. 2 into 4, 8. Plus 6 into 4, 24. That is 32 plus 1, 33. Write 3 here. That means the last two digits of this number is 36. Now 4 to the power of 115. We can write 4 as 2 square whole power 115. This will become 2 power 230. We can write this as 2 power 10 whole power 23. 1024 whole power 23. 24 power odd number always ends with 24. That means the last two digits of 4 to the power of 115 is 24. 6 power 72. We can write this as 3 power 72 into 2 power 72. First we have to find the last two digits of this number. Next for this number 3 power 72. We can write this as 3 power 4 whole power 18. 81 power 18. 1 raised to the power of anything 1. 8 into 8 64. That is 4. The last two digits of this number is 41. 2 power 72. We can write this as 2 power 10 whole power 7 into 2 square. 2 power 10, 20, 1024, 24 power odd number ends with 24 into 4, that will become 96. Now cross multiply these two numbers to find the last two digits. 41, 96. 1 into 6, 6, 4 into 6, 24, plus 9, 33. Write 3 here. That means the last two digits of 6 power 72 is 36. That's all about this case. Next we will see about case 4. Case 4, numbers ending with 5. This case is very simple. We know that 5 power 1 is 5, 5 square 25, 5 power 3 125, 5 power 4 625. That means 5 to the power of anything always ends with 25. If we want to find 5 power 1034, we can simply say that it ends with 25. But there is an exception to this rule. If it is 35 to the power of 241, in this case the number before 5 is odd and the power is also odd. In this case the number ends with 75. This is an exception. If the number here is even and here is odd, then also it ends with 25. Only if the two numbers here are odd, then it ends with 75. Another example where the number ends with 75 is, if we take 5 75 raised to the power of 1321. Here number before 5 is odd and the power is also odd number. That means it ends with 75. In all the other cases, number ends with 25. That's all about this topic. Thanks for watching. If you like this topic, please share and subscribe.